This tutorial video will explain how to manage your check draft using onlineCheckWriter.com. To get started, click the Receivables button on the side panel. Then, click Check Draft. You will be taken to the check draft page. Click the New button to create a new check draft. Add the relevant information and click on Save. Now, you will be redirected to the check draft list page. You can view the created check draft in the list. Select one of the check drafts you have created and click the Print button to print it as designed. By clicking Delete, you can permanently remove a draft from your list. Click this button to set up recurring check draft payments. You can view the list of recurring check draft payments by clicking here. Here, you can pause, resume, and cancel your recurring payments. By clicking here, you can also send it as a direct deposit to your payee's bank account. You can create deposit slips using the check draft payments by clicking this button. Clicking the I button will display more detailed information about the check draft. View the check activity, attachments, and comments by switching these tabs, respectively. By clicking the three-dot menu, you can print your check draft, add attachments, and comments. Also, you can keep an audit trail, delete, and clone the check draft from here. Additionally, you can import the check draft from an Excel or CSV file by clicking here. Then click here to select the paper type to print the check draft from the drop-down menu. You can arrange the list by the check draft, issue date, created date, number of entries, or field. Click this button to export all the data from the list. Before exporting, you can filter the data by time period and file type. You can export the visible data in multiple formats and print and email using these buttons.